Friends, have I told you that I really love recycling and upcycling? So today I collected the remains and stubs of all the candles and I decided to do a miracle. I put the paraffin in a water bath to melt. Depending of the amount of material, it takes around 10-15 minutes to melt. I mixed the candles by color because I had red and green ones, and I added the remains of white and silver candles to them. In order to fix the wick in the jar, I dripped a few drops of melted wax and then glued the metal base to the bottom of the jar, like this. It's easy. To avoid debris from the getting in, I drain the melted paraffin through a mesh, like this. In order for the wick to hold evenly, I fix it between two sticks like in the video. When the paraffin melted, in some jars I added 8-10 drops of different fragrances that I used to make soap. And you can also add some wax crayons if you want to color the light paraffin or white paraffin. So use bright color. Well, this way we wouldn't throw away the remains of paraffin and we will have inspiration for our creativity. Some trash I throw out, of course. When all the liquid is poured into the vases or jars, you need to leave the candles for half an hour to harden. So here we have our new aromatic candles ready, and they will give us their light and the comfort for good evening. I hug all of you, my friends, and I wish you inspiration of bright joy and enjoy your product. Subscribe on my channel and you will see more interesting workshops.